Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this bacon hair tutorial in Dress to Impress. So who says you need rare items to slay? In this DTI tutorial, we are taking the classic bacon hair and turning it into a major glow up moment, and trust me, this combo is serving. So if you want to know how to create this hair, let me show you the steps. In here, first you can just put on this bangs in here, this bangs, and choose the color that you prefer, but I'm going to just make it orange like this, and click on the feminine category, the curly category, and put on this hair, but use only the bangs. So click on bangs only and choose the same orange color, and then I'm going to put on this updo here, this one, toggle it into no bangs and change the color to orange. Next, click on the feminine category, and first let's put on this another updo here, this one in here, and change the color like this. And last one, put on this hair in here and toggle it into only bangs and use the same color. So now your bacon hair is done, and this is how it will look like. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.